during those 2 years as law minister, this particular aspect where millions of people continue to suffer because they have been denied the fruits of the justice being delivered to them because of hundreds and thousands and millions of cases pending in the courts. And we all know that justice delayed is almost like justice denied. I had very passionately, with the help of the Bar Association and also with the help of the senior judges, started and passionately took it forward, the movement of the Lok Adalats, and had been part of many of those Lok Adalats at that time. Your present initiative of starting and making mediation within the courts as a movement with the help of institutionalized mechanisms and giving support to it, giving innovation to it, and right now involving people all across the world for creating these e-mediation writings. I am sure this has a huge potential. And when Pushp Gupta ji said that you people are all doing it with lot of passion and lot of conviction, and you all want to ensure that there is peace all around. We have to improve the happiness coefficient of the society and of our Indians. We know that in spite of over 70 years of our independence, still a large majority of people in India, they suffer because of multiple reasons. And I think those who have to knock at the doors of the courts for getting their day-to-day sufferings alleviated, they have to face a lot of hardships. The delivery of justice is not so easy. It's very expensive. It's very cumbersome. And you have to wait for long years to be able to actually get some real fruits out of that. It is in this background that I feel that these mediation activities within the courts, whether it is inside the Supreme Court or the High Courts or in the lower courts, supported by some visionary advocates, this is going to prove to be a great blessing for the poor people of India.